Is your fan noisy? I'll show you how to fix it. Take it apart with 4 screws. Remove the fan. It may be glued in a little bit with some light glue. The fan should have a little bit of a laminated cover over one end. Let's take that off. You can see there's one bearing end there. Let's just use a little bit of household lubricant. You can use anything you got. 3-in-1 oil. You can use a drop of 10W40. That's all you need. We're just going to test it here quick. I'm going to plug it back in and turn it on. Looks good. I'll put it back together. Much quieter. Thanks for watching.